I keep seeing reports from these top execs talking about in 18 months, corporate workers are gonna be useless. And for people
Actually,
who don't
the
believe
the
that,
the CEO of Anthropic just said that the dude that Lily is building, like, and it's so what do you call it? He said, let me find it specifically. Man said, yeah, he said he's predicted that AI could eliminate approximately 50% of entry level white collar jobs in the next 1 to 5 years. And that repetitive knowledge based tasks in fields like law, finance, and consulting are at a high risk, potentially raising unemployment to 10 to 20%. And it's just like it's so interesting to me because of like this kind of like it's like you are it's like you are making these comments and you are literally accelerating us towards that future. So it's like it's so weird to me because I'll see these AI people, the people that are literally creating our replacements, like complain or like be like, you should fear AI as you are actively accelerating us towards that point. And it's just like, what, like how are you going to complain and then keep building on the like and then release the most capable model the next day. I'm like, you can't you
somebody
can't
gotta
be
do it.
you can't be on both sides of the argument. You're either all in on AI replacing everybody and you're safe because you're at the top and you're the rich exec that created. I'm like, bro, but it's like you can't.
If he don't do it, somebody else will. It's the same reason why the US dropped the nuke back in World War II. Somebody was gonna do it. I'm not that doesn't make it right. And for people who are listening, he's making a face at me. He's making judgmental faces for all my audio listeners. I'm not saying it's right, and I don't think using a nuke was ever correct, but I also don't think an AI is ever correct in the way that they're trying to use this stuff. Like, I think we should have cut off the AI at helping with the medical field, assisting with different things. And like I see people, they don't even use search anymore. I search up more, so I don't go ask AI basic questions like or
I still use
definitions.
Google, man.
I use Google, and people tell me they don't use that, and I know people that are so embedded in all this AI stuff, and it's like, "Oh, it's changing your life. It's changed. I changed my life. I do everything with it. I don't even store my own files anymore. It's altered my existence on this earth." You, fam, what do you think is gonna happen in the future? You're not gonna have anything to store in the AI. You're not gonna have any documents, any
Yeah,
money.
I just don't get it, bro.
Like, I do think AI could be helpful, and it is helpful in a lot of ways, but people don't know when to stop, man. Like, continuous growth, when are we gonna maintain all this constant improvement, constant releases, constant we need to do more? When are we gonna actually stop and fix what we have? It's like having a car. You can't just keep putting upgrades on the car.
Mhm.
You're gonna have to repair it at some point. You're gonna have to stop and put air in the tires. You're gonna have to stop and put gas in the tank. You know, it's like humans. You gotta eat. You're not gonna be the best athlete just by training 24/7 and never. You're gonna die.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
either way, man. Um, you have any more thoughts on that?
Nah, man, I think you hit it on the, yeah, I think you got
Yeah,
it, bro.
man. I love my life, man. And these aren't complaints. These are just real things. And for people who want to think we don't know what we're talking about, man, I encourage you to read, pick up a book. And this isn't a situation where, oh, I wasn't wrong. I'm just early. It's not that. It's the stuff is happening in real time. But
Mhm.
what do I know?